This is magic. This is magic, guys. This is magic. Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I want to try that new trend going around, this new makeup hack where you apply your cream blush, your cream contour, and your cream highlights all before you go in with your foundation. So clearly this was a success for me because this is the finishing look. And guys, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. So if you guys want to see the struggle, the products I use, all of that good stuff, then just continue to watch. All right, sis, so I started off with moisturizing my skin. I want to make sure that these products that I'm going to be putting on my face can blend into my skin properly. Went in with my Vichy Mineral 89 Serum. Okay, so I'm going to get into it. I'm going to start off with my NYX Sweet Cheeks cheek tint. I usually put on, if you watch my videos, you guys know I put on just a little dab of this, but for the sake of this video, we're gonna really slap it on to the cheeks since we're gonna be going in with the foundation as the last product. So I'm just gonna apply this to my cheeks, and we're gonna put a generous amount. This is so cringy, guys. Okay, and then to contour, I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is in Espresso. And this, I'm not going to put too much. I'm just gonna apply a line of it. That should be good, no? Okay, and then to conceal, I'm gonna mix two concealers. I'm gonna take my Fenty concealer in 345 and my Makeup Revolution concealer in C11. I'm gonna apply my Fenty first. So normally I would blend these out, but I want a good thumbnail, so I'm going to put these first and then blend it out. I'm actually really scared, guys, on how this is gonna come out. I'm just gonna apply a bit of this. Okay, I'm gonna take my thumbnail and then we're gonna come back to blend. Okay, so I'm gonna start by blending out this part here, my contour and my blush. And I'm using just a buffing brush. This looks like a real big mess right now. Scary, guys. I really don't know how this is gonna come out. I'm gonna blend my concealer now with my sponge. I don't know how I feel about this technique. This is looking a hot mess. I'm looking in my camera right now and this is looking a hot mess. I really don't know how this is gonna come out, guys. This could be the biggest fail right now. And I don't know if I'm gonna upload it if it is a fail or if I'm just going to kind of try again. Make sure everything is kind of blended maybe. Okay guys, I'm looking like, I don't know how I feel about this, but we're gonna go in. Okay, let's just go in with my foundation. I'm gonna take my Catrice True Skin foundation in Warm Spices. And I'm gonna use a brush to apply this because I want full coverage. I need all of this to just disappear. So I'm gonna pump some on the back of my hand and we're gonna work in sections. I'm gonna do one side and just show you guys. This is magic. This is magic, guys. This is magic. It looks like I just contoured. It looked like let me just finish this up before I get too ahead of myself. I'm gonna take my sponge just to kind of blend everything together. So this is pretty much the finishing product before we go in with powder. So it looks, as you guys could see, like you could see the contour of my face. I guess once you go in with your powder and everything, it's going to all come together. So I'm gonna go in with my Fenty banana powder and just kind of do basically the same thing I normally would do. So set my highlighted areas. I'm gonna carve out my cheekbones. So to set my contour, I'm just gonna take my NYX contour palette and just go over all of my contours. I'm just gonna dust this off. I don't like to leave this on too long. I'm just gonna go in with my Fenty powder just to apply everywhere and set everything in place, and that's pretty much it for my complexion, guys. This hack honestly is so I don't have to go in with blush. I'm just gonna go straight in with my highlighter. Okay, I'm gonna apply my lipstick and then be back just to give you guys my final thoughts on what I just did. So I'll be back. All right, sis, so this is the finishing product of my little experiment today. And I'm actually liking how my makeup looks using this method. It's crazy because I look more like, you can really see my contour, my highlight, my blush, and I did all of that first before putting my foundation on. You guys know I usually conceal and then I go in with my foundation, then I conceal again, and then I go in with my contour. I just realized like I didn't have to like cover anything. This is kind of scary. This is really scary. I wasn't doubting myself, but like I didn't think I could pull it off. I actually pulled this technique off and I'm actually loving the results of it. Let me know how you, like, what do you guys see? Let me know what you guys think. Did I pull it off? Did I, you know? But you must admit, it was looking kind of scary in the beginning. It was looking kind of scary, but that's why you guys always have to trust the process. Trust the process and just be hopeful for the best, you know? But yeah, guys, I actually really enjoyed filming this video, guys. You might see me use this technique in my future videos, just a heads up. Yeah, that's about it. If you are new to my channel and haven't subscribed, make sure you are subscribed. Hit the bell so that you are notified each time I upload. Leave your comments down below. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.